Imagine you have 10 meetings. If you're overpriced, what happens is of that 10 inquiries, you might be booking 2 or 3 of them. 2 to 3. That just means the market doesn't agree with the price that you are asking for and the product that you are offering. It's simple. It's not emotional. It is just simple. They don't agree with how much you're giving for the amount that you're asking back. That means what we have to do is work on either your offer or we have to work on your pricing, okay? The first thing you want to do is work on your offer, and don't touch the pricing yet. Don't lower the price. Don't make that your first offer. Hey, let me just cut out of my profits. Change your offer. Maybe you wanted to offer 3 hours and 4 photos. So make it 4 hours and 5 photos and see how that does. And go through another 10 inquiries and see if that brings up your bookings. It's the small changes, and it's about give and take, and your business is always going to go through this. Now, don't think that once you figure out your pricing, it's done and you're good and it's smooth sailing. No, it's not. You're going to go to higher and different levels. That just means you're going to be swimming with more incredible businesses. It means you're going to have to get better at your pricing. But this is a really good starting point for you. So you know that if your clients are saying, oh my gosh, this is quite the investment, but there's no other photographer like you, you found the sweet spot.